Zero Waste Beauty on a Road Trip, Eco-Friendly Travel Tips. Zero Waste Beauty on a Road Trip, Eco-Friendly Travel Tips. In an era where sustainable living practices are gaining momentum, it is only natural that the concept of zero waste beauty is making its way into our lives. Incorporating sustainable beauty practices into our daily routines has become increasingly popular, but what happens when we hit the road and embark on a road trip adventure? Can we still maintain our eco-friendly habits while exploring new places? The answer is yes. In this article, we will explore some essential tips for achieving zero waste beauty while on a road trip. 1. Ditch single-use products. One of the fundamental principles of zero waste beauty is to minimize the use of single-use products. This applies not only in our daily lives but also while we are traveling. Instead of relying on single-use travel-sized products, opt for reusable containers and refill them with your favorite products. This simple step will not only reduce waste but also save you money in the long run. 2. Essential travel-sized kit. Creating a compact, travel-sized kit is essential for zero-waste beauty on a road trip. Invest in reusable silicone or metal travel bottles and jars that can hold your personalized collection of products. Consider carrying products that serve multiple purposes, such as a moisturizer with SPF, a tinted lip balm that can also work as a blush, and solid shampoo and conditioner bars. This way, you can minimize the number of products you need to pack without compromising on your beauty routine. 3. Solid beauty products. Solid beauty products are a game changer when it comes to sustainable travel. Switching to solid shampoo bars, conditioners, and body wash bars eliminates the need for bulky plastic bottles. These compact bars are not only eco-friendly but also TSA-friendly, meaning you won't have to worry about meeting liquid restrictions while going through airport security. Additionally, solid beauty products tend to last longer, making them ideal for a road trip where access to replacements might be limited. 4. Minimalist makeup. While it can be tempting to bring your entire makeup collection on a road trip, embracing a minimalist approach will help you stay true to your zero-waste beauty goals. Prioritize multi-purpose products, such as a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream that combines hydration, sun protection, and light coverage. Choose a versatile eyeshadow palette that allows you to create different looks with just a few shades. Opt for a mascara and lipstick that can easily transition from day to night, eliminating the need for multiple products. By streamlining your makeup routine, you reduce the amount of waste generated while on the go. 5. Eco-friendly tools. In addition to minimizing waste from products, consider the tools you use for your beauty routine. Invest in sustainable alternatives such as bamboo toothbrushes, reusable cotton rounds, and refillable makeup brushes. These eco-friendly tools are not only better for the environment but also durable, making them perfect for frequent travel. 6. Embrace DIY beauty. A road trip is the perfect opportunity to embrace DIY beauty. Instead of relying solely on store-bought beauty products, try making your own with natural ingredients. For example, you can create a simple face mask using ingredients such as honey, yogurt, and oatmeal. Experimenting with DIY beauty recipes not only reduces waste but also gives you a fun and creative experience while on the road. 7. Choose sustainable accommodations. When planning your road trip, opt for sustainable accommodations that align with your zero-waste beauty goals. Look for eco-friendly hotels, bed and breakfasts, or even campgrounds that support sustainable practices. These accommodations often provide refillable toiletries or offer bulk options for essential supplies, reducing the need for single-use products. 8. Support local and sustainable brands. While on the road, do some research on local and sustainable beauty brands in the places you will be visiting. Supporting these brands not only helps reduce your carbon footprint but also allows you to discover unique products that you might not find elsewhere. By purchasing from local and sustainable brands, you contribute to the growth of a circular economy while enjoying beautiful and high-quality beauty products. Zero Waste Beauty on a Road Trip, Eco-Friendly Travel Tips, continued. 9. Practice mindful consumption. While on your road trip, it's important to practice mindful consumption to further support your zero-waste beauty goals. Only purchase products that you truly need and will use regularly. Avoid impulse buying and carefully consider the environmental impact of your purchases. By being mindful of what you consume, you can reduce waste and make more sustainable choices. 10. Pack reusable bags. Another essential tip for achieving zero-waste beauty on a road trip is to pack reusable bags. These bags can be used for grocery shopping or carrying any items you purchase along the way. By having reusable bags on hand, you can eliminate the need for single-use plastic bags, which contribute to waste and pollution. 11. Zero-waste hair care. When it comes to hair care on your road trip, consider switching to zero-waste alternatives. Instead of using conventional hair products that come in plastic packaging, opt for shampoo bars and conditioner bars that are packaged in paper or no packaging at all. These zero-waste alternatives are not only better for the environment but also convenient for travel. 12. Avoid fast fashion.